Hey guys, it's Paulina. I just wanted to come on right quick because I had an idea that I thought I'd share. I was going through my stash, and this stuff is from, I don't know, last year or maybe even a year before that. But I was going through my stash and I came across these little books, and I thought, this to me screams Traveler's Notebook. So I thought that I would try to make a little mini one. So I thought that I would share the materials that I'm going to use. So I'm going to try to make one. So I looked online and I kind of saw how to do traveler's notebooks. So I'm going to try it out and I'll see what comes out of it. But I thought that this would be cute to go along with these. So anyway, I'll show you guys the finished product. This is the before. Okay, bye.